Apparently, I thought I've been recording the whole way up. I'm in the Morni Hills right now. Unfortunately, the camera got hanged. I don't know, dude. तो मेरी पूरी वीडियो खराब हो गई है. मतलब रिकॉर्ड ही नहीं हुई तो खराब तो दूर की बात है. So now your guys gonna see me go back, and that's it. It's okay, but it's fine. Happens to the best of us. Now you guys might be wondering why am I doing this. That's because I'm gonna jump start it. I know technically that's not a jump start, and it might rain. It sure does look like, so I am gonna hurry back home. Yeah, so today I'm not with my group because the guys ditched me and they just didn't reply to me in the group, dude. I was like, bruh.
I've never felt so alive in my life, 'cause you make me come to life every time I'm free. Oh, and I'm loving all that you do. Can't you see that I'm crashing right into you?
Look at the view.
I'm crashing right into you. I'm free. Oh, and I'm loving all that you do.
Who's calling me right now?
I'm crashing right into you.
Well, apparently my mom just told me that it's raining heavy in Zirakpur. So ऐसा हो सकता है कि बादल यहाँ भी आ जाए. वैसे कितना डेंजर. अच्छा, this is the turn, bro. नहीं, this is not the turn. No, bro. You guys might be wondering what turn, brother. So actually what happened when I first came to Morni Hills, when it was my first ride with Ashley. Not with Ashley, like overall it was my first ride, but it was with Ashley. I mean, you get the point, right? Yeah, so apparently the Triumph Bonneville guy, he was in a group with all the big bikes, you know, boosters and all. We were riding fast, me and Ashley. He got pumped basically, and the guy wanted to race us. Uska ego hurt ho gaya, and then he was racing two 150cc bikes. I wasn't even able to keep up, and then at one corner wasn't able to brake, and yeah, he banged up on the railing. For real. He just couldn't turn. जो साइड में एक रेलिंग सी थी टर्न के, जैसे ये ऐसे मैं जा रहा हूँ, मैं टर्न नहीं कर पाया, मैं यहाँ बजा, लाइक वो बजा यहाँ पे ऐसे 3 बार. He broke his clutch. Yeah, that was pretty much it. He was all good. If that railing wasn't there, he probably would have just gone into the meadows. Lamau. खाई भी गिर जाता बेचारा वो. God saved him, यार, seriously. It's not a safe place, bro. Especially for cornering. For normal riding, it's fine. It's fun. But bro, you never corner in here. No, basically don't lean here. Don't lean much. You guys might be wondering why I don't use clutch to shift. That's because I do clutchless shifting. The name says itself. It's most helpful in drag races, bro. But in corners you should use a clutch. It's smoother, so you know. Well, shifting up in corners it's fine. You can shift up without a clutch. shifting down is a bit tricky because it could knock your rear and that could lead to a low side. Well, if you have a slipper clutch in your bike, the odds of tire slipping is really low unless you're going from really high revs. Yeah, if you're on high revs and you shift down even further, then your rear will lock up definitely, for sure. I don't know if GoPro saw what just happened. I'm not coming to Morni anymore, dude. Way too dangerous. Let us do a wheelie. No. Wheelie fail. I cannot do a wheelie here, dude. That's just it. Oh, greenery. Nice. These kind of stuff you never notice when you're in a group because you need to focus on the road more. Bro, I wonder कि गिरता क्यों नहीं है. Actually गिरता है जब बारिश होती है, so not to wonder. Lamau. Let us go. दीदी was like, मेरे शौहर को कुछ हो ना जाए, मेरे शौहर इधर आ जा, ये बाइकर तो तुझे मार ही देगा. इस बाइकर को अपनी जान की चिंता तो है नहीं, है ना? मेरे को तो अंकल में ठुकना था. That sign said drive slowly. It didn't say ride slowly. You need to ride slowly, bro. Otherwise, how can we ride slowly? Langur, attack नहीं कर रहा मेरे को. Brake. Skinned. ओहो. इतना क्यों स्लिप होता है बेटे. I have never seen a person who rode a bike and said, nah, I'm good. And it's not just about riding from point A to point B. It's about feeling the ride, dude. You won't understand until you do it. Why go slow, bro? When you can just floor the accelerator and go fast. You might say it's not safe, and you're right. Why do I laugh like that? Oh. Panchkula 10 kilometer. Yeah. Rider provider. Actually, he's a rider and a provider. Because he's riding to provide. So he's a rider provider in literal sense. Be careful. I know you're seeing a handsome rider, but that doesn't mean you just fall, dude. Oh, she fell for me, right? But she didn't fell for me, actually. She stumbled for me. Dangerous. This was the most dangerous turn. Never do this. Always stay in your lane and try to be on that side. But if you're going fast, you cannot go wide. You have to go inside the turn. This is how it is, dude. Slip नहीं हुआ, nice. because cars usually tend to be like in their lane, so you know it would be safer if we go slow. अब ऐसे क्या बोलूँगा, heavy driver, बैठे लेफ्ट पे चला. ओहो monkey. यहाँ तो मौके मेरे सामने है भाई. आई एम गॉन. हाँ ब्रेक भी नहीं लगेगी भाई. जंप जंप जंप. Water, no! I don't want rain right now. That's the last thing I want. My leg hurts because of the pads, bro. Honk, honk, honk. You say that? You say that? I felt the car was coming. Sixth sense. But let's go low and slow, brothers.
Well then, let's cruise, baby.
Low and slow.
Slow and slow. Let us stand on the bike. Yes, I'm pretending that I'm fixing my jacket, isn't it? Huh. Not too bad.